Are you thinking about buying the right property? Follow me in this video. It's more than a project. Consisting of residences and shops that combine quality with comfort in the Antalya side of Istanbul. If you want, you can choose your apartment for investment or residence purposes. This project has incredible social facilities, so you can experience privileges of the wonderful lifestyle. The project is located a short distance from business hubs and important points in the cities. Proximity to hospitals, universities, schools, shopping malls, and public transportation are other attractive features of this project. Adds the energy of city in your life. So hurry up, because it's hard to find a cooler one. For more information, please contact us. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Good luck.